So it's looking like cryptocurrency is on a rally right now, with Bitcoin going up over 15% in just 2 days and Ethereum almost 20%. And it happened right after the buybacks that the Treasury announced when the US debt closed down $40 trillion. On top of that, the US president, along with a lot of crypto bros, they met up in the White House and they made an announcement, and it's looking like they're trying to push for the Clarity Act to pass. And that'll be going in Congress next month. And at the same time, the stock market is actually dropping. But also keep in mind that the president announced that next week they'll be having an AI meeting with all the big tech heads.
We have a meeting next week with the AI people. The top people are coming in, so we can talk about that. But we're leading by a lot with AI. We want to keep it that way. We want to regulate, but we want to have it regulation where they can continue to lead, not regulation that's going to stifle a very important industry. I think maybe bigger than the internet, bigger than anything anyone's seen. And we're helping in that regard, especially with regard to allowing them to produce their own electricity, which everyone thought was crazy that it would never be approved. We're getting them fast 2- and 3-week approvals.
Will the stock market have the same reaction as cryptocurrencies? Guess we'll see. But all I would say is that this is one of the main reasons why I'm such a big believer in the stock market and crypto. It's because take a look at all the major donors for the president. There's a list of $5 to $6 trillion backing not only the president, but the entire AI infrastructure to make the president look good. And we all know that, hey, the president happens to be loyal to a fault. So this is why I'm such a big believer in the stock market, especially while this president is in office. He can really reduce a lot of friction that a lot of these businesses have in order to further their production. So that's what is most likely is going to look to pass as well. But one more thing to look forward to that's going to be happening next week as well is core PCE inflation will be coming out on Wednesday, but also Kevin Warsh will be speaking next week on Wednesday and Thursday, and he'll be most likely talking about the future of the Federal Reserve. Although he does say that no forward guidance will be made, but stocks will still most likely move with whatever he talks about. That's one thing to also keep an eye on as well. Another major thing to look forward to the stock market next week is NVDA will be reporting their last quarter's earnings on Wednesday, and that will be a major market mover. If it's a good thing, then hey, the stocks will rally. If one little thing happens that the market doesn't like, it's going to tank, and that'll also bring the entire stock market down with it. But if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can stay up to date on the stock market.